I'd like to consider that as a mild burnout already na hindi ko lang in-acknowledge. I just look at it na parang, sabi ko, teka, parang saan na ba ako papunta talaga? And then I wanted to go back to school. Siyempre yung dilemma, yung push and pull of the situations in my life during that time. So parang hindi ko alam saan ako pupunta. And then I've had a lot of experiences like that when I reached the point of giving up, di ako nakakalimutan lagi ni Lord talaga to bring me back again to my feet. The good thing talaga at the end of the day that I have are really good mentors and people behind me just to, be there for me and push me to, para hindi madiskarel. I think that's what happened there during that time.